This is Detective Rick Ransom calling Miss Mask. Calling Miss Mask. Do you copy?
Well, if it isn't old Ricky Ransom, you handsome grandson. This is Miss Mask. I take it it's showtime?
You're live, pal. Hey, have a great first episode. Knock 'em dead, Mask. But, do me a solid, will ya? Keep your eyes wide open. Fellow crime fighter, airmail, still missing. It's not like a superhero mailman to just up and disappear for days without notice. Be alert, will ya?
Reminds me of a friend of mine who lost his job at the post office.
Is that so?
Yeah, see, it turns out he just wasn't delivering the goods.
That'll be all, Miss Mask.
Alrighty, hit it, boys.
Time for Saturday morning tunes. A little throwback as you can see. Cape Crusaders from days gone by, all up in your TV. Grab the cereal, sit and stay. Pour a bowl, one for you and me. It just wouldn't be Saturday without me on TV. You never know who will join our weird parade. You never know. Can we get Fillmore from the Nick Arcade?
I doubt it.
It's a Marvel and DC world with just a little room left for me. We're talking old-fashioned make-believe. I'm here on your TV.
It's Miss Mask's Saturday Breakfast Cereal. And now, here is your host, Miss Mask.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thanks for hanging out and having a bowl of cereal this morning with your favorite Mask Marvel. Yours truly, the one and only Miss Mask. Speaking of one and only, not only was Detective Ransom's news about airmail going missing a little alarming, but I too am short a few cast members this morning. Sure, it's Miss Mask's Saturday Breakfast Cereal, but every good show needs a co-host. A Robin to the Batman, a Barney to the Fred, Tails to the Sonic, Chaos to the Blizzard, and Norma to the Jerry. All right, that's enough. You get it. See, my personal hand-picked co-host, the nemesis of evil himself, Black Terror, and the hard-headed high flyer, Bullet Girl. They're late. Hopefully not tangled up in some kind of danger. Before I do some investigating, and by investigating, I mean calling their cell phones, why don't we check out this classic feature from 1941? It's Woody Woodpecker and Pantry Panic. Black Terror? Call Black Terror.
Got it. Calling Zach Taylor.
No. Black Terror. We'll be right back. Oh, hey, Zach. Sorry. I meant to call Black Terror.
Weatherman's right. We better go south right away. You said it. Winter's coming. Winter's coming.
South. Groundhog says a terrible blizzard's coming.
Go on. That guy don't know his shadow from a hole in the ground.
You'll freeze to death if you stay here.
And you won't have any food either.
Don't worry about me. I got plenty of food. And right now, I'm going swimming. Must be hard water in this lake. Blow your head off. See if I can. It's nice and warm here, and I got plenty of food. Go on and blow. Hey, come back here with my food. I'm that hungry little kitty cat you just read about. I'm so hungry I could eat a woodpecker. Yeah, that's it. Pardon me, buddy. That's probably the grocery man. Come in. You're just in time for dinner. Yeah? What are you gonna have for dinner? I'm gonna have catfish. Yeah? Let me take your scarf. You know, I think that pigeon tried to choke me. You must be pretty cold, buddy. No, I ain't cold. Oh, yes, you are. Step over by the fire and get warm for dinner. Oh, boy. Feline fricassee. Now, my fine pigeon, I'm going to pick you dry. Mice. Meat. That was pretty good. But you know I'm still hungry.
Yeah? So am I.
Welcome back. Well, I have some good news And I have some bad news. My partners in crime, no, I can't say crime, I'm a crime fighter. My besties who make arresties, no. Anyway, I managed to get a hold of Black Terror. His flight was delayed. Says it was a big ordeal and that he'd fill us all in later. Whatever that means. Also, he can literally, no wait, he doesn't fly, just super strength. But still, a commercial airline? Really, dude? Oh, speak of the devil, here he comes. Hey, how's it going, cowboy?
Yeah, okay, so I'm late. Completely my fault. But man, does this story make for some good TV. Check your phone! The incident on the plane has already gone viral.
Wait, hold on, viral? So you mean to tell me that what you're saying is you are directly responsible for your flight delay?
Kinda yes, kinda no. But you'll never believe who was on my flight.
Richard Gere.
Obviously, but who was sitting next to me?
No clue.
Do you remember Phantom Lady?
Wait. The dame with the invisibility cloak?
Yeah! I haven't thought about her in years. So we start to board, we're about to take off, and then she puts the cloak on.
Hold on. Is this you? Okay, we have to roll this video. You're blowing up on social media. Guys, in the back, roll the video.
I'm telling you all, I am getting off of this plane, and there is a reason I am getting off this plane, and you all can choose to believe it or not believe it. But I am telling you right now that supervillain is not real. And you all can choose to stay here and die with her if you want to. I'm not gonna. I've already had my cookie. That tray table needs to be put up. That Bluetooth speaker is not gonna work. That phone is not on airplane mode. And you, sir, that movie, that is not appropriate. There are plenty of kids here, man. We do not want to see that.
This is too wild. Wait till Bullet Girl hears about this. Speaking of, have you seen or heard from her? She's supposed to be our co-host today.
Bullet Girl? Seriously? I have to share screen time with that?
She's funny and she makes me laugh. I thought it'd be good to diversify things up. Throw a little Appalachian culture into the mix.
You say that like it's... Never mind. Knowing her, she's probably lost track of time. I don't know, canning green beans or something.
Ah, my phone. This is probably her. Bullet Girl hits #1 across all online music charts in record time. Oh, don't tell me.
Wait. Did you just say music charts?
All right. Oh, this can't be serious. In less than 24 hours, virtually unknown superhero Bullet Girl, real name Susan Kent, has demolished the online music charts, earning millions of views for her hit bluegrass folk anthem, Mothman North of Huntington.
Well, wait a minute. You're telling me she's gone viral too? Guys in the back, I have to see this. Quick, roll the video.
I've been out on patrol, fighting that crime, chasing bad guys and don't earn a dime. Or I can sit out here, make this song instead. Just a superhero girl with a bullet for her head. It's a damn shame. What's a girl gotta do to get a few clicks, to get a few views? Wish I could just wake up to a cold Pepsi Blue. But it's not 2002. Could really use a cold car or a sidekick. This henchman got me suspended, Lord knows they all just want back up on the roll. But I watch every move and I track every clue, and I don't think they know. But I practice kung fu. It's a thankless hard job. All crimes to an end. These henchmen better get bent. So these henchmen, better get bent. So these henchmen, you better get bent.
Quite the little number. Who knew she could sing?
Did she just say something about Pepsi Blue? That's mildly offensive in my book.
I mean, look, for as great as that was, I'm not gonna lie, I feel a little bit left out. I mean, this isn't fair. I wanna go viral. Why can't I go viral?
I mean, what can I say? Maybe you just don't have the it factor like some of us.
Yeah, well, I'll lay my golden egg. You just wait. Not everyone can toss to a cartoon with the style and grace that I can. Enjoy Felix the cat in The Goose That Laid the Golden Egg. See what I did there?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Don't thank me. Thank the goose that lays the golden egg. Good work, Goldie. Keep it up.
So that's where he gets it.
That's all today, Goldie.
Please help an old lady who's cold and hungry. Let me come in and warm myself.
Look out! It's Captain Kidd! Quick, Goldie! Run for your life!
Sure, I'm Captain Kidd. And I want that goose.
Open the door! Let me in! Open the door!
Okay, pal.
You leave my goose alone, you big bully!
Tough guy, huh? I take what I want and I want what I take.
We take what we want and we want what we take, for we're pirates out hunting for treasure. If we see any gold, we steal it away, robbing widows and orphans of pleasure. We fight with our mates and we
Faster, you lubbers! Man, our fortune's made. I've got the goose that lays the golden egg. Weigh the anchor. We're going places.
Oh, we take what we want and we want what we take, for we're pirates out hunting for treasure. If we see any gold, we steal it away, robbing widows and orphans of pleasure. We fight with our mates and we cut and shoot. We're mean and we're bad from our hats to our boots. We take what we want and we want what we take, for we're pirates out hunting for treasure.
Poor Goldie! Poor Goldie! What'll I do? What'll I do?
Come on now. What a dozen eggs. You better hurry up with those eggs. All right, then. I'll help myself. Go get him, man. Why, you little...
Come along, Goldie, and head for shore.
Felix! Felix! F-E-L-I-X! Yay! Felix!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. I am delighted to have a guest with us today who, well, what can I say, just fits right in. He's the author of a new book, Nostalgios, a look at vintage breakfast cereals of the past, and he's also a world-renowned YouTube fan favorite in the video game scene. Welcome to the show, Mr. John Riggs.
Oh, thank you so much for having me. Quite an honor for me to be here. I've never been interviewed in a setting quite like this, but the pleasure's all mine, I promise. Thank you.
All right, for my first question, Mr. Riggs, what inspired you to write this book?
What inspired me to write Nostalgia O's was we already had books on the toys of the 80s and 90s, the cartoons of the 80s and 90s, the video games of the 80s and 90s, the pro wrestling of the 80s and 90s, and on, all a huge part of my childhood growing up. But I woke up every morning, a bowl of cereal in my face was how I introduced the day every day for probably 2 decades straight. And it's always just kind of been the thing that's, the aside. But it was such a huge part of my growing up that, I wanted to have a book on cereal. And there are other breakfast cereal books out there, but they're more about the history of cereal or maybe the toys inside or something like that too. But I wanted something that was a little bit more memory unlocked. Here are some of the breakfast cereals that you remember. Remember this one, remember that one. Just kind of like a coffee table style book. I know this is manga sized, but that's what I was looking for. That was my inspiration for writing Nostalgia O's.
So this has been driving me crazy. What is up with the lack of dedicated female cereal mascots?
Oh, a lack of female cereal mascots has been a thing for decades and decades now. And there have been a few women on cereal boxes, including Barbie, Rainbow Bright had her own cereal, there's a strawberry shortcake cereal that I miss dearly, but those were already existing IPs. And even Fruity Pebbles announced that Berry Pebbles is going to be a mainstay that features Wilma and Betty, along with Pebbles, on the front of the box. Again, the IP already existed, they weren't created just for that cereal.
If you could bring back one cereal from the past, what would it be, and what Saturday morning cartoon would you pair it with?
If I to give you an answer, bring back Smurf Berry Crunch, and I'm watching it with the Smurfs. How about that? Maybe even the Snorks.
Okay, easy one. Where can someone buy the book and follow you online?
If you're looking for a copy of Nostalgia O's, riggedgames.com, RIGGD games.com. I also make video games, so my link tree there will link you to where you can purchase this book for yourself. It's self-published. Would like to get it on Amazon sooner than later, but in the meantime, riggedgames.com has this for you, as well as other items too. But thank you so much, and thank you for checking this book out, and thank you for having me. Again, like I said, it was an honor and a pleasure for me to be here. Hope to see you again soon.
Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after a word from our sponsor. Well, friends, it looks like it's time to wrap things up for today. Black Terror has already accepted numerous conspiracy theory podcast appearances. Bullet Girl is likely on her way to Nashville. Airmail is still missing, and I still have yet to find viral internet fame. Oh well. How lucky am I? I got to hang out with all of you on a Saturday morning watching classic cartoons. No room to complain. We'll be back next week, and we hope that you will be too. Till next time, remember, fame is fleeting, popularity is temporary, but character creates a legacy. Seek the higher things, be your best selves, and have a lovely Saturday. Oh hey, it's Airmail. Detective Ransom was looking for you. Had us all worried. What are you doing?
Who, me? Nothing. Just hanging around.